Hi guys, let me show you how to create a token survey using just your voice and your phone. Hello.
Hi there.
How's it going?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing really good, thank you.
No worries.
What's your name?
I'm Jess. I can help you to build apps. Just say, build an app for me.
Okay, please build an app for me.
Please choose preset.
I would like to create a talking survey called Coffee.
Talking survey called Coffee is created successfully.
Great, open the editor.
Editor for Coffee project is opened.
Inside the editor, you can add more questions for your survey and also connect Google Spreadsheet to collect users' data. So if you press create form, you'll see instructions how to connect your spreadsheet. You put the link over here and you'll be able to collect a phone number, email, and name and answers. Okay, let's test it out.
Project Coffee is running now. What kind of drink would you like? Latte, flat white, cappuccino, hot chocolate. All right, which size would you like? Small, medium, large. Okay, would you like that hot or iced? Hot, iced.
After all the questions, your users will be able to send a name, email address, and a phone number directly to your Google spreadsheet. In order to publish the project, you need to export it. By default, you get a progressive web application that you can deploy to any hosting. Also, you get a Flutter project. Flutter is a cross-platform framework that will allow you to build the survey for iOS, Android, and also for the web. If you need help to set it up or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our customer support, support at glowbom.com. Thank you very much. That was a token survey.